How to restore deleted conversation in Messenger. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can restore deleted conversation in Messenger. We'll start by opening up the Messenger application first. So you're going to proceed to open up Messenger app, right? Once you open up app, now first thing you want to check if you have really deleted it. So you can head into the menu option and you can head into archive section and see if you mistakenly archived the text and you can restore it back to your text messages. However, if you deleted it on Messenger, unfortunately there is no option to recover. But what you can do is you can head into menu, right? So for instance, you just deleted it recently, you can head into settings. Once you head into settings, you want to head into here, the option that is account center. Now you'll have to download your information and permissions. So head into your information and permissions and select export your information and proceed to select your messages, and there you should be able to find and export your messages if it has not been deleted from the server already. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.